Genspark AI is an amazing platform. It is very similar to ChatGPT with some additional functionality. So, for example, we can generate videos, we can generate images, we have different AI agents such as AI slides, we have calls, we can even generate data tables, doing deep research, and of course, we have translation and AI chat. So there's a ton of functionality, and you can use all these features for free. And it has a very similar user interface, similar to ChatGPT. So a lot of people that are familiar with ChatGPT are really going to enjoy Genspark AI. And you can get started with any of these agents completely for free. My favorite one is going to be the video generation. It does a very good job at creating what you want, as well as using some of these super agents, which is just going to be a text-based AI. So you can ask it whatever questions you want. What is 1 plus 1? And it's going to spit out our answer right here. So it's just really helpful for a lot of students who are looking for help with just basic education questions and research for their projects.